Welcome back to our channel. Today we want to show you, the other episode we showed you how to play the Rubik's Cube. But today we are not showing you how to play the Rubik's Cube because already we have it on our channel. If you have not watched, please go back on our link up here and you watch it. So today I have another new triangular shape. It's called the Pyraminx. This one is, you need to solve this one. This is the easiest that you can ever solve. There's only two algorithms. So first of all, before you solve it, you look at the tips, at the corner, and then you orientate the corners. You see the corner, this corner. Make the corners, the colors, go to the corner, and here. Once you have done that, you make sure that the white, the yellow, is the bottom. So you make the yellow, you solve the yellow first. Once you have made this triangle, you have this, and this one, then you make it the base now. Once this is the base, you need now to solve the colors depending on where this color is. So this one has a white and a blue. So you go to the white and blue, where the blue is, and make sure that the yellow is facing you. So once it's facing you, you start with the yellow side. You go down, then the other side, down, then up, and you realize you have solved that. So once you have solved the base, now you go to the tip, the other part of the triangle. And this one, you go to the area that already has a solved one. This is that which is not solved. So you want to play it, and you start with the one which is not solved, facing you. So you go down, then up. Once you have done that, you find this arrow comes here. So you put it on the other side like this. Then you go up here, and then you make it this way, and you go down, and you have solved it. Then you come to the other side again, or you can remain on the same one again here. You go down, up. Then you come this side. Then you solve it like this. Then you come back, then down. Then again, you orientate them like this. Then you go down, up. You keep on doing this one. Once the arrow comes this way, you go up, and this way, down, then down, up, this way, up again, down, then down, up. Then you come again, then down, up. And the pyramid is solved.